Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I prepare yeast. You call it natural yeast. Natural yeast. Okay, so this is my second day, guys. After my first day of preparing the natural yeast, this could be 8 days session, but today this is my second day, so I'm going to what I mean is today is the first day that I'm going to feed my bacteria, or the good bacteria that is in this flour. So yesterday I make my sourdough yeast. Now I'm going to feed. So let's take a look at it inside. Let's feed and give a drink. So this is the second day, guys. So I'm going to give food and drink to keep our good bacteria alive. The lactobacillus. So what we need is a flour, so by the way, guys, I would like to say what our mixture here is just 3 ingredients. Water. I use cold water, guys, from the freezer, but I would like to recommend better use the the mineral water, but this one is just water, tap water I use from the refrigerator, or not in the ice, guys, it's just in the frigo. And a flour and honey. So I just add one spoon. Then we're going to feed the water. I put 2 spoons of water, guys. So just stir it up. So make sure all the flour is immersed or really soaked with water. So can't you see how our mixture, guys, there's a tiny bubbles presses in there, so it looks like our mixture is active. So to clean up with this one, make sure you wash your hand and wet it with water. So can't you see? Have a close look. So we'll clean up. Now make sure the outside is clean, guys. I'm happy this is just the second day, guys, but it looks like so active. Our bacteria is so alive. So can't you see? So there is tiny bubbles in there, if you can see it closely. So we will see for the third day. So this is the first day that I add or give food and drink to the bacteria, and good bacteria, guys, the lactobacillus. And actually today is the second day after the first day is the preparation or the mixing, and then the first day of feeding, and then tomorrow is the second day, and then the fourth day we will see. I will tell you on the fourth day, guys, what will happen. So this is the second day and this is the result. This is how it looks like too. So if you're making your natural yogurt or natural yeast, this is how you do it. Just flour, honey, pure honey, and water. So simple, 3 ingredients. Okay, just comment down below if you have some question. And this one, guys, I even use this one time I make a cake in the microwave. If you want to know, I have a video of that one. And if you want to know how it behaves, how it looks like, you can check on my previous video, a cake without using a commercial yeast. So this one is natural and I love it. Well, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.